Hello everyone, compliments of the season and Happy New Year 2025 to you. In this video, I'm sharing with you how to start an online business for free in 2025. These are 7 ideas that are working and that are going to work for you if you follow the steps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are thinking about starting an online business in 2025 but don't have a budget to get started, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to share 7 proven ways to have an online business for free that are actually working in 2025. So grab your pen and paper because these ideas can set you on the path to becoming your own boss with no upfront cost. Now, let's get started. Now, first up, we have freelancing. If you have skills like writing, graphic design, web development, or even data entry, freelancing is an amazing way to start a business with no investment. You can offer your services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. All you need is your skill set, a laptop, and a solid portfolio. You can begin by offering lower price services to build your reputation, then gradually increase your rates as you gain experience. Talking about freelancing, I have benefited a lot from freelancing, especially on Fiverr, and I've done a lot of videos to share my experience on Fiverr. You can go to this channel and look for my videos on Fiverr. What you need to do is to go to the YouTube search bar, enter input Olugbengade Titun, and then in front of it, put Fiverr. Fiverr is Fiverr, and then you are going to see those videos I've done on Fiverr. In fact, I share with you how to even get started. I share everything, showing you the screen, showing you everything, how to get buyer, how to get everything you need to do, how to do your thumbnail, everything you need to do to succeed on Fiverr are in those videos that I did. Another great idea is becoming a virtual assistant. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks like managing emails, scheduling, customer service, and social media. As a virtual assistant, you can work from anywhere in the world. You can get started for free by creating a profile on freelance sites or simply promoting your services through social media. As your client base grows, you can expand into more specialized services and charge higher rates. If you love creating content, this one's for you. Whether it's starting a blog, creating a YouTube channel, or launching a podcast, content creation is a fantastic business that you can start for free. Platforms like Medium, YouTube, and Anchor allow you to create and share your content without upfront costs. Once you've built an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even merchandise. The key is consistency and delivering value to your audience. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. One of the best ways to make money without having to create your own products. You can sign up for affiliate programs like Amazon, Associates, or Share a Sale and promote products to your audience through blogs, social media, or videos. You can earn a commission when a sales is made. You earn a commission every time someone purchases through your affiliate link. The best part, do you know the best part? You don't need any upfront cost. Simply promote products you believe in and let your audience make the purchase. Now, talking about affiliate marketing. Some people will just go ahead and then join Amazon affiliate and then come below this video and make a comment and drop the link of that affiliate link there. The chances of people getting to see or to trust you using my own, just below my own video is small. But if the video is mine, I can mention and talk about it. People trust me because I am a brand. Now, I have made a series of videos on affiliate marketing that can help you. And in the description section of this video, I will leave the link to that affiliate, those videos for you. I'll leave the link to those videos. I'll leave all the links on all my affiliate marketing videos that I've done, how you can get started, how you can get going, how you can make the money. I will leave the link to that in the description section of this video. So you go ahead and click it, and then you learn and take action. In fact, if you followed everything I said, you don't need to contact me. You just take action, and then you see that you will make money with affiliate links. The most beautiful part of it is the Quora. That Quora process, that Quora is very, very powerful. How to promote on Quora. And I've used it and it has worked for me. I've seen the results. I promoted on Quora for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 6 days, 7 days, and I forgot about it. I left. I was tired. I didn't make any sale. I was tired. I left. After some time, I just went back to impact.com to check my account, and I saw some dollars are sitting down there for me. I made just one sale, but that one sale made me a few dollars. And mind you, that is not my main job. It's just by the side. I just go on Quora, I get the content, I put it on, I answer the question on Quora, I put the link at the end, and then I leave the place. I do this one, I leave the place. I do this one, I leave the place. I do this one, I leave the place. I just do that. Maybe in a day I do 10. Another day I do 10. Another day I respond to 10 questions, leave my link to my affiliate links below. And surprisingly, I got paid because somebody used that link, and it was something that some person need, and the person used it and got paid, and I was given my own commission. Now, if you're a social media enthusiast, why not turn it into a business? Many small businesses need help managing their social media presence. Even big businesses too need help managing their social media presence. Even individuals, high-profile individuals, need help managing their social media presence. Even small-profile individuals too need help. All you need to do is to reach out to them, whether physically or online, and tell them what you can do and offer them at a reduced price for a start. Then, when they know your worth, you can increase the price. As a social media manager, you can offer services like creating posts, scheduling content, and engaging with followers. You don't need to spend any money to get started, and you can even use free tools like Canva for creating graphics and offer for scheduling posts and buffer for scheduling posts. Build up a portfolio and you'll be able to scale this business quickly. Now, talking about building up a portfolio, sometimes you can even offer to do this social media management for somebody for free. Do it for free for 1 month until the social media can stand on its own feet. And then you will see that same person will try to do it, cannot do it. We try to look for somebody else, cannot get somebody else like you. Then the person will come back to you, and the person you'll be able to work with that person. So this is how you can do that. Now, the next thing you need to do is that you can also offer another skill. Are you an expert in a particular field, whether it's math, languages, or even fitness? You can start an online tutoring or coaching business with zero investment. Now, if you're not an expert in any field, how long does it take for somebody to learn a thing and know it? You can take 3 months. If you take 10 minutes or 30 minutes every day and focus on just mathematics, 10 minutes or 30 minutes every day, focus on languages, 30 minutes every day, focus on fitness videos, looking at them A to Z on YouTube. By the time, before you know it, you have mastered that skill. Then you also can start teaching people on that skill. As you're teaching people, you are learning. And in fact, that is a good way to go. So, are you an expert in a particular field, whether it's math, languages, or even fitness? You can start an online tutoring or coaching business with zero investment. Platforms like Preply and Skillshare allow you to create and teach courses or offer one-on-one tutoring. Use free tools like Zoom or Google Meet to teach your students. Once you build a client base, you can increase your rates or even create your own online course to sell. You are essentially monetizing your knowledge. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products without worrying about inventory. You partner with a supplier, list their products on your website, and when someone makes a purchase, the supplier ships the products directly to the customer. You can start a dropshipping business for free using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. There is no need to purchase inventory upfront. So, it's a risk-free way to dip your toes into e-commerce. So, there you have it, 7 online business ideas that require zero investment to start in 2025. Whether you want to start freelancing, manage social media, or create content, the opportunities are endless and you don't need a huge budget to get started. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, Subscribe to the Dr. Olubega Adetuntu YouTube channel for more business tips like this one. On this channel, I teach you how to make money online and offline. And also, I want to leave a comment down below in the comment section. Now, if you have any question for me on any of the businesses I've shared, let me know and I will respond to you within 24 hours. Let me know which business idea you are most excited to try. And be sure to share this video with anyone who's looking to start a business without spending a dime or without spending any money. So this is all that I have for you at this time. In the next video, I'm going to expose you to another series of businesses that you can start without investing any money. So I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, Happy New Year 2025, and make sure that you start something early this new year. I will see you in the next one. Until then,